Today I am going to tell that is related to awards and honors. There are so many prizes, and these are given in the field of different sectors. So I want to give some about awards and honors. At first, I want to give uh, about the prize, that is Nobel Prize in the field of, it was given in the field of peace, literature, medicine, physics, chemistry from 1901 and economics from 1969. Then Pulitzer Prize, that is given in the field of journalism from 1917. Academy Awards, that is called Oscar, that is in the field of film from 1929. Kalinga Award in the field of science in 1915 from 1952. Then Booker Prize is given in literature from 1929. Grammy Award, that is given in music from 1958. Ramon Magsaysay Award, that is given in government, public service, social service, journalism, literature, communication and international understanding from 1957. Bharat Ratna, for outstanding contributions in the field of art, literature, science and public service, Bharat Ratna is given. Then Dadasaheb Phalke Award, that is given in film from 1969. Gyanpid Award, it was given in the field of literature from 1991. Bachaspati Samman, that is given in Sanskrit literature from 1992. Shankar Award, that was given in the field of Indian philosophy, culture and art. Vyas Samman, that is given in literature. Kavi Samman, that was given in the field of socio-communal harmony. Dronacharya Award, a sports coaching training from 1985. Arjuna Award, that was given in the field of sports in 1961. Bhatnagar Award, it was given in the field of science from 1957. Borlaug Award, it was given in the field of agriculture from 1992. Then there is Gallantry Awards. The name of the Gallantry Awards is Paramveer Chakra, that is the highest Gallantry Award. Then Mahavir Chakra, that is the second highest Gallantry Award. Veer Chakra, that is the third highest Gallantry Award. Ashok Chakra, that is highest peacetime Gallantry Award. Kirti Chakra, that is for conspicuous gallantry. Shaurya Chakra, for an act of gallantry. Then Bharat Ratna, which is the highest civilian award of India. Who got this Bharat Ratna award? Today I want to discuss. In 1954, Chakraborty Raja Gopalachari, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman got Bharat Ratna award, the highest civilian award of India. 1955, Dr. Bhagwan Das, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was given. In 1957, Pandit Govind Vallabh Pant. Then in 1958, Dr. Dhandokeshav Karve. In 1961, Rajarshi Purushottam Das Tandon, Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy. In 1962, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was given Bharat Ratna. In 1963, Dr. Zakir Hussain, Dr. Pandurang Vaman Ken. Then in 1966, Lal Bahadur Shastri. In 1972, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. In 1975, Varagiri Venkata Giri. In 1976, Kumaraswamy Kamraj. 1980, Mary Teresa Bojaxhiu, that is Mother Teresa. In 1983, Acharya Vinoba Bhave. In 1987, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. In 1988, Marudwar Gopalan Ramachandran. In 1990, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, Dr. Nelson Mandela. In 1991, Rajiv Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Morarji Desai. In 1992, Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Satyajit Roy. In 1997, Aruna Asaf Ali, Gulzarilal Nanda, and Dr. Abul Pakir Joynal Abidin Abdul Kalam. In 1998, Subbalakshmi Chidambaram Subramaniam. In 1999, Professor Amartya Sen, Pandit Ravi Shankar, Loknayak Joyprakash Narayan, posthumous, and Gopinath Bardoloi, posthumous. In 2001, Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Ustad Bismillah Khan was given Bharat Ratna Award. 2009, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. 2014, Professor C.N. Rao, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, first player and the youngest one to get Bharat Ratna. 2015, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Pandit Madan Mohan Malhavya, posthumous. In 2019, Pranab Mukherjee, late Nanaji Deshmukh, and late Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Today I am given this GK, this general knowledge, and this will definitely help for all the competitors who are preparing for different kind of exams. So today I have given these awards that was from Bharat Ratna and different kinds of awards in the different field. So students, please subscribe my channel, and this is my new channel. Please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to do like and comment. This will definitely help all the candidates who are preparing for this exam. So thank you very much.